WingtraOne, the safest and most accurate VTOL drone for mapping and surveying. WingtraOne combines vertical takeoff and landing with long-range flights. The vertical landings on spot allow you to operate the WingtraOne everywhere, even in confined spaces and on rocky grounds. In combination with its efficiency in forward flight, you now can accomplish large missions that you weren't able to do up until today. WingtraOne carries the best-in-class cameras for your work. They can be swapped in no time on the field. With the Sony RX1 R2, Wingtra offers a 42-megapixel full-frame camera with an ultra-low distortion lens that enables the unprecedented combination of image resolution and flight coverage. WingtraOne sets the new benchmark for surveying-grade accuracy, eliminating ground control points from your workflow by activating the state-of-the-art PPK. Surveyors obtain a centimeter accuracy and superior reconstruction results. A new level of simplicity is brought to you by Wingtra's mission planning and in-flight monitoring software, Wingtra Pilot. Great features make planning easy and ensure mission success. WingtraOne increases operation safety. By the push of a button, WingtraOne is fully autonomous from takeoff to landing. It keeps the operator in a safe distance at all times. After completing the survey, WingtraOne gently touches the ground, eliminating wear and tear. Don't worry about broken wings and damaged cameras through rough belly landings. The WingtraOne is the trusted VTOL platform that exceeds the highest expectations of geospatial professionals around the world. It is designed to be integrated in every workflow. Start taking better decisions based on accurate aerial data with the WingtraOne today.